Yeah, students, now we will solve some solved problems in the chapter hyperbolic functions. The first one is prove that sin h3x is equal to 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. Consider LHS, it is sin h3x. 3x can be written as 2x plus x, that is equal to sin h 2x plus x. Now this is the form of sin h into x plus y. We know that formula, sin h 2x into cos hx plus cos h 2x into sin hx. Now again we know that sin h 2x formula, 2 sin hx into cos hx into cos hx plus we want answer in the form of sin, so we need to take cos h2x formula in sin. Okay, what is the formula for cos h2x in the form of sin? It is 1 plus 2 sin h square x into sin hx. Now 2 sin hx into cos hx into cos hx is cos h square x plus sin hx plus 2 sin h cube x. Now again this is the form of sin, this is the form of sin, this is also in the form of sin. We need all in the form of sin, but here it is cos, so we need to convert cos h square in terms of sin square. 2 sin hx into cos h square x, the first identity, cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1. From this I can convert cos h square x in terms of sin h square x. From this I can write 1 plus sin h square x plus sin hx plus 2 sin h cube x. Here 2 sin hx into 1, 2 sin hx plus sin hx into sin h square x is 2 sin h cube x plus sin hx plus 2 sin h cube x. Okay, 2 sin hx plus sin hx, it is 3 sin hx plus 2 sin h cube x plus 2 sin h cube x, it is 4 sin h cube x. This is the value of sin h3x. This is the proof of the given problem. It is very important for 2 marks and it is very easy. Okay, now you need to solve problem 2. It is tan h3x. You need to solve that problem. It is homework for you. Okay, now this is the first problem. Next, the second problem. You just pause the video. And note down. Next, second problem. It is third problem. If cos hx is equal to 5 by 2, then find cos h2x. The second one is sin h2x. Very important. Very important for 2 marks. Very easy also. You just think that cos hx is given, but I want cos h2x. We know that cos h2x formula in terms of cos. In that formula, we have to substitute 5 by 2. Then you will get cos h2x. Okay. First, given cos hx is equal to 5 by 2. And first one is we need to find cos h2x. Cos h2x formula in terms of cos hx is 2 cos h square x minus 1. That is equal to 2 into cos h square x is given 5 by 2 whole square minus 1. It is 2 into 25 by 4 minus 1. Okay? Are you following me? 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. 2 1 is 2 2 is 2 1 2 1 is 1. 25 minus 2 is 23 by 2. This is cos h2x. Okay. Next I want sin h2x. Second one is to find sin h2x. We know that from the identity cos h square 2x minus sin h square 2x is equal to 1. Here we know that cos h square is 23 by 2. Here it is square, so that square minus sin h square 2x is equal to 1. You just send this to right hand side and take 1 to the left hand side. 23 square is 529 by 4 minus 1 is equal to sin h square 2x. Here LCM is 4. This can be written as sin h square 2x is equal to 525 by 4, right? 4 was 4. 529 minus 4 is 525 by 4. Now it can be written as sin h2x is equal to root 525 by 2. 525 can be written as 21 into 25. 525 can be written as 21 into 25. Root 25 is 5. It is 5 root 21 by 2. This can be written as plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus root 525 by 2. It is plus or minus 5 root 21 by 2. This is the value of sin h2x. Very important. Now, next problem. If cos hx is equal to secant theta, if cos hx is equal to secant theta, then prove that tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. Tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. Take LHS. Tan h square x by 2 is equal to, this can be written as sin h square x by 2 by cos h square x by 2. Now you just sin h square x by 2. Cos hx is equal to 1 plus 2 sin h square x by 2. From this, sin h square x by 2 can be written as cos hx minus 1 by 2 from the cos hx formula. Similarly, cos h square x by 2 from the cos hx, 2 cos h square x by 2 minus 1. From this, cos h square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos hx by 2. 1 plus cos hx by 2. Okay. One plus cos hx by 2. Substituting this the value, sin h square x by 2 is cos hx minus 1 by 2. Next, cos h square x by 2 is 1 plus cos hx by 2. This by is whole by. Okay. 2 to get cancelled. Now I have cos hx minus 1 by 1 plus cos hx. Okay. Now cos hx can be written as cos hx 1 plus 2 sin h square. Yes, wait here. Here it is given that cos hx is equal to secant theta, right? So in terms of cos, in place of cos hx, we need to substitute secant theta. Secant theta minus 1 by 1 plus secant theta, right? Secant can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by cos theta. LCM is 1 minus cos theta by cos theta by 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Now we have 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now we have 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now again substituting cos theta formula. Now again substituting cos theta formula. Now 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta 2 cos, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Cos theta formula. Again here 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 sin square theta by 2 by 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 plus into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Now I have 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2 is tan square theta by 2. Okay. This is the proof of the given problem.